Hey everyone, welcome back to the Four Wheels Empire, where we bring you the latest in automotive tech and tools. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Launch CR3001, a compact yet powerful OBD2 diagnostic tool that's making waves among dyers and professionals alike. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable scanner, stick around, we've got you covered. First off, let's talk about what's in the box. When you purchase the Launch CR3001, you get the scanner itself, a user manual, and a USB cable for firmware updates. No unnecessary extras, just the essentials. Look at this, it's small enough to fit in your hand, making it super portable. The design is simple yet robust. It's got a 2.4-inch color screen, which is bright and easy to read even in daylight. And the buttons are intuitive, so navigating through menus is a breeze. Launch Creader 3001 OBD scanner can read and clear fault codes for engine system. Plug-and-play code reader that allows you to use it directly once you get. Very easy to use even for beginners. The scanner equipped with a 2.5 feet long cable. You don't need to worry about not enough length. It also with a compact size, easy to hold and carry. This OBD scanner can check the status of emission-related monitors, misfire system and fuel system. Make sure the monitor was set before taking it to smog. Help you pass the smog check smoothly. It's your time and money saver. Stream mode to sensor, mode 8 evap system test, mode 6 onboard monitor test. Launch Creader 3001 is a very useful and cost-effective OBD to full-function automotive diagnostic tool. Support read-live data for engine system, quick detecting vehicle failures, saving you the trips to your mechanic. This scanner can help you turn off the mill after you've finished repairing the faulty components, then clear the fault codes and turn on the vehicle ignition. Then you will find the check engine light is OFF. What's more, Launch Creator 301 OBD scanner can read the car's information such as VIN number. Recommended by mechanic Scotty Kilmer on YouTube. The OBD scanner can work on most after 1996 and some up to 2020 OBD protocols vehicles which sold in the US, Europe and Asia. Compatible with all OBD protocols can ISO 9141, KWP200, J185OPWM and J185OVPW. It can support 7 kinds of languages: English, Russian, Portuguese, Spanish, German, Italian, French. Pros: affordable price, compact and portable. User-friendly interface, wide OBD to compatibility. Essential functions, durable build. No external power needed. Firmware updates. And cons, limited features. No battery test function, limited vehicle coverage. So, who is the Launch CR3001 for? If you're a car enthusiast, a DIY mechanic, or just someone who wants to save money on diagnostics, this tool is perfect. It's affordable, reliable, and user-friendly. While it doesn't have advanced features like ABS or SRS diagnostics, for basic OBD functions, it's hard to beat. To save more money on car expenses, purchase the engine code eraser by clicking the description link below. That's it for today's review of the Launch CR3001. If you're interested in picking one up, check the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.